Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. There is another video in differential calculus, particularly on the topic tangents and normals. I hope that through this video, your knowledge and skills, mathematical skills in calculus will be enhanced, thereby preparing you to challenging lives ahead. So there are, I think, 4 exercises here. 2 exercises, but there are sub questions. So find the equations of the tangent and the normal at the point indicated. So there are 4 exercises, by the way, from pages 58 to 59 of the book Love and Rainville. So for the first one, y equals x squared minus 2x at its point of intersection with the line y equals 3. So the intersection will have coordinates y equals 3x to be determined. Then the slope y prime is 2x minus 2. Then the values of x will be found by setting y equals 3 into the original equation. So 3 equals x squared minus 2x. So x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals 0, which can be factored into quantity x minus 3 times x plus 1 equals 0. So that means x1 is 3 and y1 is 3, x2 is negative 1, and y2 is still 3. So x1 is 3 and x2 is negative 1. So at the point where x1 is 3, the slope for y1 is 3 squared minus 2 times 3. Substitute here. So 3. So x1, y1 is 3, 3. So at this point 3, 3, the slope of the tangent, so y2 is negative 1 quantity square minus 2 times negative 1. So 1 plus 2 is still 3. Actually, we don't need to solve for y2 because it is already given. So the second point, x2, y2 is negative 1, 3. So therefore, the slope of the tangent at the point 3, 3 is 2 times 3 minus 2, and that is 4. The slope of the first tangent is 4. The slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of 4, negative 1/4. And the equation of the tangent would be in the form 4x minus y equals 4x1 minus y1. That is 4x minus y equals 4 times 3 minus 3. Therefore, the first tangent is 4x minus y equals 9. For the normal, it is x plus 4y equals x1 plus 4y1. So x plus 4y equals 3 plus 4 times 3. And therefore, the normal, first normal is x plus 4y equals 15. Next, for the second point of tangency, which is negative 1, 3, the slope is 2 times negative 1 minus 2, and therefore it is negative 4. The slope of the second tangent is negative 4, so the slope of the second normal is negative 1 over negative 4, so it is positive 1/4. The equation of the second tangent, therefore, is in the form 4x plus y equals 4x2 plus y2. That is 4x plus y equals 4 times negative 1 plus 3. So the second tangent, 4x plus y equals negative 1. And the normal is in the form x minus 4y equals x2 minus 4y2. So x minus 4y equals negative 1 minus 4 times 3. So the second normal is x minus 4y equals negative 13. We then proceed to problem 8, y prime. Y equals x cubed minus 7x plus 6 at its point of intersection with the x-axis. So points of tangency will be on the x-axis, so that means y is 0 on the x-axis. We'll just solve for x. But before that, let's set up the formula for slope. Y prime equals 3x squared minus 7x. Minus 7, sorry. So 3x squared minus 7, and the points of tangency, we set y equals 0 here. Y equals 0 equals x cubed minus 7x plus 6. And without the calculator, we must find the roots of x by synthetic division or by trial and error, but that is supposedly by synthetic division. But since your calculator is capable, allowed calculator is capable of determining roots up to quartic equation, quartic function, fourth degree, then we can find the roots easily as x1 equals negative 3, x2 is 2, and x3 is 1. So these are the roots. So the points of tangencies are negative x1 comma y1 would be negative 3 comma 0. x2 comma y2 is equal to 2 comma 0. And x3 comma y3 is 1 comma 0. So having found the points of tangencies, we begin with the first point of tangency. X is negative 3 or x1 is negative 3. Substitute into this formula for slope. Y prime or m1 equals 3 times negative 3 squared minus 7. 27 minus 7 is 20. So the slope of the first tangent is 20, and for the second tangent, negative 1 over 20. Then the equation of the first tangent is 20x minus y equals 20x1 minus y1. But because y1, y2, y3 are all zeros, so it reduces to 20x minus y equals x1. Or 20x minus y equals 20 times negative 3. So that's it. 20 times x minus y equals 20 times negative 3 minus y1, which is 0. Does not affect. So 20x minus y equals negative 60. That's the first tangent. For the first normal, x plus 20y equals negative 3 plus 20 times 0. So x plus 20y equals negative 3. That's the normal. For the second point of tangency, slope is 3 times 2 squared minus 7. So that is 12 minus 7, so 5. And the slope of the normal, second normal, is negative 1/5. For the tangent, second tangent, the equation is 5x minus y equals 5 times 2 minus 0. So therefore, the second tangent is 5x minus y equals 10. And the second normal is x plus 5y equals 2 plus 5 times 0. So x plus 5y equals 2. Then for the third point of tangency, 1 comma 0, the slope is 3 times 1 squared minus 7. And that is 3 minus 7, so negative 4. The slope of the corresponding normal is positive 1/4. So for the tangent, third tangent, 4x plus y equals 4 times 1 plus 0. And that is equal to 4x plus y equals 4. That's the third tangent. And for the third normal, x minus 4y equals 1 minus 4 times 0. And therefore, it is x minus 4y equals negative 1. Equals 1, rather. So that's for problem 8. We proceed to problem 9. A square y equals x cubed at a comma a. So a square y prime equals 3x squared. Then y prime is the slope. A square m equals 3a squared. So therefore, the slope of the tangent is 3, and the slope of the normal is negative 1/3. For the tangent, the expected equation is 3x minus y equals 3a minus a. 3x minus y equals 3a minus a, or 3x minus y equals 3x1 minus y1. So 3x minus y equals 2a. For the normal, x plus 3y equals a plus 3 times a. Therefore, the normal is x plus 3y equals 4a. And for problem 10, let's analyze this first here, and let's continue on the next slide. So this is derivative of product. So number 10, x times 2y y prime plus y squared times derivative of x1 equals 0. So rearranging 2xy y prime plus y squared equals 0. Then at x equals a over 4, y is to be computed. A over 4, y squared equals y1 squared equals a cubed. So y1 squared is 4a squared. And square root of 4a squared is plus minus 2a. So y1 is plus minus 2a. There are 2 points of tangency here. There are 2 points. One is a over 4 comma 2a. The other is a over 4 comma negative 2a. So x1, y1 is a over 4 comma 2a. And x2, y2 is a over 4 comma negative 2a. So let's copy this and continue the solution on the next slide. Continuing, so we copy the results in the preceding slides. So these are the results. So having for the first point of tangency, substitute into this equation to solve for the slope. So 2 times a over 4 times 2a m equal plus a over plus 2a quantity square y squared equals 0. So this is a square, 4a square to the right, negative 4a square over a square is negative 4. So m1 is negative 4. Therefore, the corresponding slope of the normal line is positive 1/4. So for the tangent, 4x plus y equals 4 times x1 plus y1. 4x plus y equals 4 times a over 4 plus 2a. Simplifying, 4x plus y equals 3a. So that's the equation of the tangent, first tangent. Or the normal, x minus 4y equals a over 4 minus 4 times 2a. So x minus 4y equals negative 31 over 4a. Negative 31a over 4, negative 31 over 4 times a. Multiply everything by 4, so the normal is 4x minus 16y equals negative 31a. For the second point of tangency, the slope is, again, substitute here, 2 times a over 4 times negative 2a m1 plus 2 negative 2a quantity square equals 0. So this is negative 4a squared to the right divided by negative a squared, so positive 4. The slope of the tangent line m2 is 4. Therefore, the slope of the corresponding normal line is negative 1/4. Then for the equation of the second tangent, 4x minus y equals 4 times a over 4 minus negative 2a. And this is 2a plus a, 3a. So 4x minus y equals 3a. That's the second tangent. For the normal, x plus 4y equals a over 4 plus 4 times negative 2a. So x plus 4y equals negative 31 over 4 times a. Multiply everything by 4, so 4x plus 16y equals negative 31a. So that's it for this video.